So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file into the Python. It's easy, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you using Anaconda Navigator in JupyterLab. First open Anaconda Navigator, which has the JupyterLab, Jupyter Notebook, etc. So open JupyterLab. So it's pretty easy. First you have to start a separate section or any section you're working on right now. Select the file browser area. So first you have to import pandas into Python. So for that, for easy use, we're just going to name pandas as PD. So whenever you want to type pandas, you just have to type PD. Otherwise, every time you have to type PD. So it's better to, pandas. So it's PD is better. Now enter. Now you want to upload a file. So as you can see here, there is upload symbol in the file browser. Just click on that and just select the file you're going to upload. So I have already uploaded here the file I want to use, which is a CSV file. So first what you have to do is that right click and rename. And select and copy the entire name. So a lot of people will be thinking, when you want to upload the file, just right click and copy the path, the link, everything. That is somehow it doesn't work. I'll show you what happens if you do that. So next thing what you have to do is that open a separate section. Now you want to name your new file as HP. Basically, if you want to upload a file, you just have to use pandas.read_csv. So here we have to type, instead of pandas, PD. If you click tab, you will get the option to what all functions you can use on it. So under that will be the read.csv, or you just can type it. And a lot of people, even I at the beginning, I had to upload it. I just selected the path. I'll show you what happens if you do that. Copy path, select and paste. You'll get a big error. So I just had to research a lot before I could just find the most easiest way to upload. So you just have to, earlier I said, copy the name. You copy the name. Just have to paste the name here, which you copied from the file browser. The moment you upload it into Python by clicking it here, it's already in the folder, this folder which is created specifically for Python to store the file. Whatever file you open here, it will be stored in this folder. So this is specially created for the Python. So whenever you upload it from your desktop or whichever folder you want to upload it from, it automatically goes into the folder for the Python. So the only thing you have to do right now, it's already there in the folder. You just have to copy the name and just enter. So it's already saved. Now to test it, if it's already loaded or not, you have to use certain methods. For example, to see the first 5 observations. So that's how you upload it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.